Hi, my name is Jasiti.
I'm Bhavya Srivastav and we are from the Riverside School.
We're sure you're aware of the Design for Giving School contest that the entire nation will be participating in.
This is a very interesting and audacious idea, so be a part of it. This is a step-by-step guide to the toolkit.
We will be showing you what the toolkit consists of. It consists of the Design for Giving self-addressed envelope that will carry your documentation to us, the inland participation form that you need to fill up and submit it at the earliest, the Design for Giving school poster which you need to put your picture in, and it's a way to motivate and make the children work as a team, the actual Design for Giving toolkit which consists of a step-by-step procedure and a guide. It will tell you what to do throughout, and finally the submission form that you need to fill up, and it will help us know your story of change.
So we hope that through this video you've been able to understand what process that you'll be undertaking.
So let's make things happen.
That's Design for Giving,
And let's be the change. So the toolkit has just come in. What do?
Build up as many teams of 5 students and 1 teacher. These teams will coordinate the contest in your school.
Ask your teacher to fill up the inlet entry form and submit it.
So, here is a team from the Riverside School. We will be sharing with you a case study of the design process that the Riverside team went through.
The first step in the toolkit is to feel. Here the students of Riverside realize that some street children cannot afford a meal. The students are truly moved by this sight and decide to work towards this cause.
So students come up with an issue that truly bothers you and you believe you can change.
So the students decide to come back and start with the second step, imagine.
The students start thinking and brainstorming of different ideas to solve this issue. Teachers support and guide your students, but don't give them the solutions.
The Riverside students come up with the idea to partner with an organization that collects dal and money that will be given to street children. The third step is to implement the idea. So go and do.
Step 4 is to share. You need to spread the circle of influence by spreading awareness about the change you made and how you did so.
Make sure you document in either PowerPoint, YouTube or photo narrator and send it back to us. We are hoping by the end of this everyone can come together and be the change.